Capture every precious moment effortlessly with the best camera Bluetooth remote control wireless device that brings freedom to your photography. It lets you take stunning shots without limits, turning every click into a perfect memory. Whether capturing group photos, travel adventures, or creative angles, it gives you complete control with ease and comfort. Designed for those who love expressing moments beautifully, it transforms simple photography into a joyful experience, helping you create memories that truly last forever. Number 1. Sony Camera Bluetooth Remote Control Wireless. The Sony Camera Bluetooth Remote Control Wireless Shutter Cable RMTP1 is crafted for creators who value precision, comfort, and emotion in every capture. It transforms photography into an effortless art, allowing you to frame moments exactly as you imagine them. Whether shooting portraits, landscapes, or creative projects, it gives you the freedom to stay connected to your vision without being tied to your camera. Every click feels natural, helping you capture genuine expressions and memories that speak from the heart. This device brings balance between control and creativity, making it perfect for photographers who want to focus fully on their craft. Designed with reliability in mind, it helps you feel confident with every shot, turning simple scenes into lasting impressions. From professional work to personal memories, it empowers your storytelling and enhances the joy of creating, making each photograph feel alive with emotion and clarity. Number 2. Kids Camera Instant Print 32G Digital Camera. The Kids Camera Instant Print 32GB digital camera for children brings joy, creativity, and imagination together in one delightful experience. It allows young minds to explore the world through their own eyes, capturing smiles, adventures, and memories that last forever. Every snapshot becomes a moment of pride as children see their pictures come to life instantly, encouraging curiosity and self-expression. Its fun and colorful design makes it a beloved companion for playful days, family outings, and festive celebrations. With the included thermal printing paper and color pens, children can decorate their photos and turn simple moments into precious keepsakes. This camera sparks creativity and helps kids build confidence while having fun creating memories. It transforms everyday experiences into exciting discoveries, nurturing artistic growth and emotional connection. A thoughtful gift that blends learning and laughter, making every photograph a piece of their growing imagination and happiness. Number 3. 18x Digital Zoom Cameras for Photography 4K. The 18x Digital Zoom Camera for Photography 4K YouTube Vlog video camera brings emotion and creativity together, allowing every moment to be captured with depth and clarity. It inspires storytellers, dreamers, and creators to express their world with confidence. Whether recording life's adventures, filming travel diaries, or creating content for social platforms, it helps every scene come alive with natural beauty. The flip screen design encourages self-expression, making it easy to capture genuine emotions and spontaneous smiles. Its smooth stabilization keeps every frame steady, ensuring your memories remain as vivid as the moment they were made. Designed for those who see beauty in small details, it turns ordinary days into lasting memories. This camera empowers creators to share their stories effortlessly, making every photo and video a reflection of personality and passion, transforming creativity into something meaningful and unforgettable. Number 4. Professional Video Camcorder 4K Autofocus. The Professional Video Camcorder 4K Autofocus vlogging camera for YouTube brings passion, creativity, and emotion together in every frame. It helps storytellers capture life with depth and precision, transforming ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. Designed for creators who love sharing their world, it inspires confidence in every shot. The clear image quality and smooth motion give a cinematic feel that draws viewers closer to your story. Whether recording travel adventures, lifestyle content, or daily vlogs, it makes each clip look professional and authentic. The touchscreen allows effortless control, while its portable design keeps creativity flowing wherever inspiration appears. This camera empowers dreamers to express freely and connect deeply with their audience. Every recording becomes more than a video, it becomes an experience filled with feeling, passion, and purpose, turning your vision into something that truly moves people. Number 5. iFootage Video Camera Tripod Fluid Drag Pan Head. The iFootage Video Camera Tripod with Fluid Drag Pan Head offers unmatched stability and control, allowing creators to capture every shot with confidence and grace. It transforms the filming experience into something smooth, precise, and deeply satisfying. Whether recording cinematic footage, professional projects, or personal moments, it supports your vision with balance and strength. Every movement feels natural, letting you focus on emotion and storytelling rather than technical limits. Its thoughtful design ensures effortless handling, giving filmmakers freedom to explore new angles and perspectives. Perfect for Canon, Nikon, or Sony DSLR cameras, it becomes a reliable companion for those who seek perfection in every frame. This tripod empowers creators to express their artistry without distraction, turning simple recordings into captivating stories. Built for stability and crafted for passion, it connects the camera to your creativity, helping you capture life's moments exactly as you imagine them.